Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the essentials. Shortcuts must be installed and permission configured. Once done, create a new shortcut that opens the app or URL you want. Make sure to name it concisely so it fits on the icon. Next, tap the three dots, then the Share Like Settings icon to access Add to Home screen. You're doing this first because every customized home icon is built from a working shortcut. Skip generic steps and make the shortcut functional now. Once you're at Add to Home screen, choose the small icon thumbnail to pick photo or file. Select your custom 512 x 512 PNG or SVG image and confirm. You should crop to a square and keep transparency for rounded aesthetics. Then, edit the shortcut action so it launches the app directly. Use Open App or a URL scheme. This reduces delay and avoids intermediate screens. Also, make sure the shortcut name is short. Long names trunk. After adding the icon, move it where you want and tap to test. You're checking launch speed and appearance. If the shortcut opens slowly, streamline it to a single Open App or URL action, or disable unnecessary show while running prompts. This makes the icon behave like a native app. Finally, back up the shortcut to iCloud or share it as a file so you can restore it. If something fails, reselect the image and reassign the action, then retest. Small changes often fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.